Trump's DOJ just shut down a federal investigation into a coal company owned by West Virginia Senator Jim Justice, one of Trump's closest allies, after it racked up tens of thousands of alleged violations for dumping dangerous chemicals into our waterways. A veteran federal prosecutor with 24 years on the job said he'd never seen anything like it. Over the past decade, they've racked up tens of thousands of alleged violations of the Clean Water Act, dumping dangerous chemicals like arsenic into waterways and flouting court orders to clean it up. The EPA and the Justice Department's Environmental Crimes Section opened a joint criminal investigation to find out whether those violations had crossed the line into criminal conduct, and prosecutors believe they had a very strong case. Now, you have to understand something important, and that's Senator Justice's connection to Donald Trump. Trump personally campaigned for him in a contested primary, and Jim Justice won, and his seat helped Trump clinch the Republican majority in the Senate. And when Senator Justice's company came under criminal investigation, he had the President of the United States clearly in his corner. So before prosecutors could move forward, the DOJ stepped in and shut the whole thing down. The man who killed the case, you probably have heard of him, his name is Todd Blanche. He was, of course, Trump's former personal criminal defense lawyer and now his acting attorney general. This is also the same guy who just gave Trump, his family, and his companies permanent immunity from IRS audits. And now Trump is asking the Senate, the very body where Jim Justice serves, to confirm Blanche as the permanent head of the Justice Department. Look, equal justice under law was never supposed to come with exceptions for the president's friends or political allies. The pattern here is not subtle. Protect Trump's friends, prosecute his critics, and get rewarded with more power and money. That is corruption, plain and simple.